Yeah, that's a nice postcard from Naomi. You're distracted now. Yeah, do you like the card from Naomi? It's really nice, isn't it?
Got all those shapes.
Yeah, and animals. Like there's a horsey and a doggy, and a horsey and a pig. Piggy, piggy, piggy. Yeah.
Naomi's just old enough to think a baby is really great. Sure.
Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Look. Uh-oh.
Now I know where she lives.
There it is.
You may say uh-oh, but Beth says that it's just right. Oh, what a